Now let's discuss the tools and techniques used for hacking Android devices. So our first tool is the APK tool, and this tool can be used for application reverse engineering and for creating malware by infecting legitimate apps. Now you can download the latest version of the APK tool from this website. Now let's go ahead and launch the APK tool, and for this, type APK tool command and hit enter. Here you will see all the available options to be used. Okay, so you see things like forcing, delete, destination, directory, storing framework files into a specific directory, just showing the version, printing some advanced information about the tool, and many more. I am not teaching you all of these options, but let's see an example. So here I have a sample application or sample APK file that I called example APK, and let's disassemble it by using the APK tool command space D and then the name of the file. Here you can see the tool disassembly in the APK file and also decoding the Android manifest. So that's actually the XML file that has all the different information about the actual package itself. And you also see decoding all the different files within the application package as well. Now the tool created the directory called example, which is the same name of the APK file. Let's go into that directory, and then here you can actually see the different files that it actually disassembled as well as the Android manifest that I mentioned earlier. Now you can even see the user permissions of the application, and you can even add, delete or modify the permissions that the new impersonality application. I know it's a simple example, but it's up to you to be creative and change the application as you want. Now let's talk about the two other tools that are often used for reverse engineering. One is called Dex2Jar and the other one is called JDGUI, basically a graphical unit interface. Now let's see what it's actually Dex2Jar is. Basically it is a tool that converts the Dex files into jar files. And next is JDGUI, and it is actually a Java decompiler that can be compiled jar files to the original Java source. Okay, so you do this for reverse engineering and decompiling applications, right? And you can download both of the tools from the links that you are seeing on your screen. No installation is actually required for these tools because they are executables. And again, you can just download them, and in a suitable operating system, you can launch and use these applications.